So yes, I want you to see something here. If you're seeing my screen, check this out. So in under 10 minutes, I made like what? $24. If you want to learn how I did that, then this is the video for you.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race.
Hey guys, I'm back with another video. So it's been a while since I uploaded a video about online trading, and as you realize, this channel we talk about brand writing, that's making money online, and affiliate marketing and online trading. Those are the three things we talk about. So if you're into any of that, then go ahead and click that subscribe button, and of course give a thumbs up to this video if you found, of course, if you will find value in it. That means you have to watch to the end, to certain if that works out for you. So this is gonna be real quick, and so I just want to explain how this works, and then later on I'll show you how I did it. Yeah, so that sounds good. Let's get right to it. So what we are looking at here actually is called online trading. So online trading, so there's this platform called so let me open it under incognito so that you can see the platform. So there's this platform called Olimthread. So Olimthread is an online broker. So I'm sure you've heard about forex and all that stuff. So there's now a simpler version of it where you can make money by predicting where the price will be after a specific period of time. So that's called now the fixed time trading. So with fixed time trading, you now predict where the price will be. You either predict where it's either going to be high or going to be low. And if you say, okay, it's going to be lower after 5 minutes, and you're right, you make money. If you're wrong, of course, you lose the invested money. Now let me tell you a little bit about Olimthread. So Olimthread, as I said, is an online broker with over 8 years. Yes, they've been in this business for over 8 years. Up to this point, they have over 88 million user accounts, and these guys gives out over 16 million USD every month, and the clients transact over 30 million per month. They are in 194 countries all over the world, and they support all of these languages. So for example, in Kenya, we are lucky to be included in that group that they support. Now, are they legit? So one of the things that tells you whether an online broker is legit is this: they are actually a category A member of Financial Commission, that's Vinacom, which confirms the company's reliability and the high quality of services. So the quality of the platform's rate execution is certified by the Verify My Trade independent examination. So they are legit. And in fact, I know if you're a fan of football, Ronaldinho, right? So Ronaldinho is one of their official ambassadors. Now these guys have got a lot of awards actually. I was looking at them. There are some awards here, as you can see here. Down, where is it? Here, yeah. So they won best mobile trading platform World Finance Award 2021. There is another one here, best investment broker Forex Awards 2021. There is another one, best FX trading platform Forex Expo 2020. So this goes a long way to show you that these are the guys who knows what they are doing. Now inside, what can you trade? So that's where the assets comes in. You can see top here. You can trade currencies, stocks, metals, indices, commodities, crypto, ETF, OTC, and composites. So and there are two trading modes. So I'll just log into my account to show you that. Okay, if you come here, you can see that there are actually 3 trading modes. There is the fixed time, forex, and stocks. So today I'll just talk about fixed time. So that's where I told you that you predict the price, where the price will be, within a fixed period of time. And if you're correct, you make the money. What if you're wrong? Will you lose everything? No, you don't lose everything. You just lose what you invested in that trade. So now let me show you now how I got to this point of making. I think I'll show this trade here on the chart. Yeah, so this is it. Now the first thing that I did is, of course, to select the asset that I want to trade. So as you can see, this is a currency. So to select a trade, just go to click on top here if you're using laptop, then come now here and choose the asset that you want. Now you can choose the asset based on the profitability. So you look at 90%, 80%, 70%. This means that is the profit that you will make. So if you invest $10, you get 70% of $10. You understand? That's $7. If you invest 170% of that, if you are right. No, so you can choose based on the profitability, or of course use the specific categories of assets like currencies and all that stuff. So I just want mine. I just want to see the assets that returns me over 80%, and that's where I got this asset. Now once you've selected the asset, the next thing, the simpler way to win here is to enable a strategy. So there are some strategies that you can follow to make money here. Now the good thing about this platform is that they provide some strategies that you can use to make money. Now warning here, not these strategies won't work all the time. Yeah, they are not 100%. There is no strategy that's 100%. Like sometimes you win, sometimes you lose with these strategies. So you have to do your own research. But for the sake of this video, I'll show you how to enable these strategies. So just come down here to technical analysis, and then open instruments. So let me remove this and then I will add. So this is what you will see: the indicators, oscillators, drawing, strategies. So just come to strategies. Then this is the strategy that I was using, that's sliding on average. Then of course you can see here this the strategy I had enabled it, so I can disable it, and then of course now go back and enable. So the strategy uses two indicators, that SMA 4 and SMA 60. So you don't have to worry about what all that means. So once it's enabled, now it's been added to your chart. Now this is how you trade. So you see the blue line and the yellow line. Yeah? So to open an up trade, wait for the yellow line to cross the blue line from down up like this, as you can see here. Then open an up trade. To open a down trade, wait for it to cross the blue line from the top, as you can see here. Cross the blue line from the top, and then it continued going down. Considering this only works, when you're looking at FTT, that's fixed time trade. There are some few things that you need to do. Now once you've added the strategy, most of the time it sets the time on its own. So the first thing is you want to set the the time frame that you are looking at. So it sets to 5. So if you are looking at the 5 time frame, so there is the rule of 2x, which means the trade duration should be 2 times the time frame you're looking at, because to give time the market to respond to your strategy. So for this one, you set the time frame at 5 and then trade duration at 10, which means now you will wait for 10 minutes once you open the trade to see the results. So if you look at here, I opened this trade here. Immediately this candle closed. Immediately this candle closed above the blue line, which means the yellow line had just crossed the blue line. Then I opened an up trade. So I invested, you see this amount here, I invested $30. Yeah, and the profitability was 80%. So how much was I looking for? $24. I had to wait 10 minutes close. Then now I can see the results. So as you can see here, that trade went in, like I won that, and that's how I made $24 in under 10 minutes. So before I show you how the trade was going. So of course, if you want to join this platform, just click the link in the description and then create an account. And of course, you don't have to deposit money immediately. Just use the demo account. So they have a free demo account. You get 10,000 demo units. So those are the free money that you can use to practice. So you can use that money to practice this strategy and see how it goes. So thank you guys. Continue watching now to see how the trade went. See you in the next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something. Because if you have a question or any clarification, just let me know in the comments below. Bye bye.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring. How you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down.